In this video, I will show you how to sell Bitcoin on Bitvavo. So if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started absolutely for free and to not pay any commissions in your first weeks. So this is really beneficial when you're just getting started, and this can save you a lot of money. So feel free to check the link in the description. It is absolutely for free and it is really beneficial for you. Anyway, let's dive into the video. And from our home tab, we are going to select Bitcoin, or you can go to your wallet and select Bitcoin over there. At the bottom right, click on sell. In this section, you need to enter an amount, and the minimum amount to sell Bitcoin is around 6 euros. So please be sure to insert something that is above this. So let's say I want to sell 10 euros, then I'm going to click on preview order. And then here you see the Bitcoin price refreshing every 6 seconds, and that is the price where you're selling for. And below you see the fees that are included. And if you don't want to pay any fees, then click the link in the description to get started to not pay any fees in the first weeks. So let's click on sell Bitcoin. And as you can see, our Bitcoin was successfully sold. We can now click on continue and the selling will be transferred immediately. So that is how you sell Bitcoin on Bitvavo. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.